Hi, I'm Bard, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Apple AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro are a wireless Bluetooth earphone that was released in 2021. They are the successor to the AirPods 2 and feature active noise cancellation, a new design with shorter stems, and a transparency mode that lets you hear your surroundings. Features here are some of the features of the Apple AirPods Pro. Active noise cancellation. The AirPods Pro use microphones and a high excursion driver to cancel out unwanted noise. This makes them ideal for use in noisy environments, such as airplanes or subways. Transparency mode. Transparency mode lets you hear your surroundings without having to take out your earbuds. This is useful for talking to people or listening to announcements. IPX4 water resistance. The AirPods Pro are water resistant, so you don't have to worry about them getting wet in the rain or sweat. Longer battery life. The AirPods Pro have a longer battery life than the AirPods 2, with up to 4.5 hours of listening time on a single charge. How to use the AirPods Pro are easy to use. To put them in, simply put them in your ears, and they will automatically connect to your iPhone or iPad. You can control them with a few taps on the stems. To turn on active noise cancellation, double tap on the left stem. To turn on transparency mode, double tap on the right stem. To activate Siri, say "Hey Siri." Price. The AirPods Pro are priced at $249. They are available in white. Overall, the Apple AirPods Pro are a great choice for people who want a wireless earphone with active noise cancellation. They are comfortable to wear, have a long battery life, and offer a variety of features. In your video intro, you can highlight the features of the AirPods Pro that you think would be most appealing to your audience. You can also show some footage of the AirPods Pro being used. For example, you could show someone putting them in their ears, playing music, and using active noise cancellation. You can also mention the price of the AirPods Pro and where they can be purchased. Finally, you can encourage your audience to watch the full video to learn more about the AirPods Pro.